Hey, what's up? If you've ever wondered how your tiny Raspberry Pi actually runs, or what's really happening under the hood, you're in the right place. Today, I'm taking you on a quick journey through the history and evolution of Raspberry Pi operating systems, just enough detail to get you started without any jargon overload. So, let's rewind to 2012. The very first Raspberry Pi launches, and it's aimed at making computing affordable and accessible, especially for students and hobbyists. But to actually use it, you need an operating system. Basically the software that makes that little board do anything at all. Back then, the go-to OS was called Raspbian, a version of Debian Linux optimized for the Pi's tiny hardware. Imagine it like a super lightweight version of Windows or Mac OS, built to run on a computer the size of a credit card. Raspbian was simple, open source, and free, perfect for beginners and tinkerers alike. As Raspberry Pi boards got more powerful, things started to evolve. Raspbian kept improving, adding a more user-friendly interface and support for things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. By 2015, you could do way more than just blink an LED. You could browse the web and even watch YouTube videos. But here's where it gets interesting. People started experimenting with all kinds of operating systems. Want to build a retro gaming console? There's RetroPie. Prefer a media center to stream your shows? Hello, OSMC and LibreLec. Some folks even got Windows 10 IoT running on these tiny devices. In 2020, something big happened. Raspbian officially got rebranded as Raspberry Pi OS with 32-bit and later 64-bit versions. That means more speed, better compatibility, and a smoother experience overall. It's still based on Debian, but it's been supercharged for education, coding, and even light desktop work. Today, there are dozens of operating systems you can try on a Raspberry Pi, from Ubuntu and Manjaro to specialized ones for robotics, security, or even smart home setups. The best part? You don't have to be a coding genius to get started. Most OS images come with a graphical installer. Just pop in your SD card, follow a few steps, and you're good to go. So whether you're building your first project or just curious about how computers run, the evolution of Raspberry Pi OS shows just how much you can do with a $35 board and a bit of creativity. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want to see more tech explained simply, make sure to subscribe and drop your Raspberry Pi questions in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.